Is your YouTube app not working on your LG Smart TV? You're not alone. Even in 2026, software glitches, updates, or connection issues can prevent the app from launching, freezing, or showing errors. The good news? Most problems are fixable in just a few steps. First, start with the simplest solution. Restart your TV. Power it off completely, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. Next, check your internet connection. YouTube requires a stable connection, so make sure your TV is connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and try streaming a short video on another device to confirm your network is working. If the app still doesn't work, try updating the YouTube app and your TV firmware. On LG Smart TVs, go to the LG Content Store, find YouTube, and check for updates. Then go to Settings, All Settings, Support, Software. Update to ensure your TV is running the latest firmware. Updates often fix compatibility issues that prevent apps from working. Another tip is to clear the app cache or reinstall the app. While LG TVs don't have a traditional cache clear option, uninstalling YouTube from the LG Content Store and reinstalling it can achieve the same effect and resolve corrupted data or login errors. Finally, if none of these steps work, try signing out and back into your Google account, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Remember to back up your settings and apps before resetting, because this will restore your TV to default settings. By following these steps, most users can get the YouTube app working again within minutes. If this guide helped you fix YouTube on your LG Smart TV, leave a like, subscribe, and share your tips in the comments.